nigegendete kubwatirana asoko ni kimnango kinere wizara yobochenu anamono ko ni kimnango kinere ebirengo byobokoleri me county ya Kisii ritkolerero nigo mugavana Paul Simbarati abaga kubwatuka chikiti na boigo ebinto ebirachi gokonya community health promoters ase ogokora obokoleri bwabo boikirano ime yebinyoro Mulikito Mildred Momanyi na mange
Omugavana we county ya Kisii Simbarati nigo ara omuyegabwe kwena na chikiti gati ebintu binde ebinge gukiase community health promoters abo baregwetanya chiribu ibere ebyo birachikubakonya ase okurwa obokoreri ase ebinyoro ime chinga kibale ase gasiabo ase ebinyoro ase gati abali baikirana ngamono morugibwa mokonyi bwense Dr. Pastor Dorcas Kashagwa gati abande abange ase bono atebire na chikubakonya kurwa obokoreri bwabwango gose first aid.
We have 2,940 community health promoters supporting 294 community units in the county. The 294 community units are supervised by 294 community health assistants and the community health extension workers. I'm happy that all CHPs have been trained in all service delivery modules, and they are also recently trained in the electronic community health information system, that is CHIS. I hope you have been trained.
Ni gobono omugavana abainekelia egati emeroberia elibabekire gati yabo gocha kubamentera chibesa ase obokoreri obwo gati yande amange.
I thank the Ministry of Health for delivering the kits to Kisii. Today, 2,841 CHPs will receive a kit with assorted items, including a phone cover, and a screen protector. The kits will improve the scope and the quality of service offered by CHPs, such as early diagnosis of diabetes, growth monitoring, CHP identity, blood pressure and monitoring, and so forth. For CHP enumerations, and this is important, the county government commenced the payment of CHP's stipends as way of motivating them. The national government has made plans to enhance this stipend by an additional of 2,500 shillings per CHP per month.
Dr. Dorcas nigo airali bagelio kobae kerambuya ase egasengia babeire bagokora nonyeke bwate amatemwa amange.
Ni watu ambao nimewajua wamejitolea mhanga, ukiwa jua, ukiwa mvua, ukiwa na tabu na ukiwa uko sawa. Nimeona kutoka siku tulikuwa wachanga, ukiangalia wengine wamekula chumvi na walikuwa tu wanafanya kutoka wakiwa wanalika na wanafanya hata kama hakuna mtu anawalipa. Mungu awabariki sana. Hata sio mambo ya pesa, kwa sababu hata kama mtapewa stipends, I am very sure that stipend is not enough for the sacrifice you make. My work is to seek love amongst people.
Ulipotelea igetaseni kia Ndizi TV, Elietaliane Mildred Momanyi.